Serving others with a 5-star approach is the lifeblood of our business. So when we receive a glowing review, we love to share the news. We're honored when someone takes the time to write about their personal experience like this. We really appreciate it when someone is kind enough to write about their experience with our staff. We believe reviews like this are a great testament to our commitment of quality. Our team loves to share this positive feedback with the world, so you can feel confident that you're turning to the right company for your needs. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much they keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. We're glad you had a chance to come and visit us today. Please feel free to ask us any questions.